The Brabus Big Boy 1200 is an incredible luxury motorhome, measuring 12 meters long and weighing 26 tons. Powered by a 530 horsepower engine, it can reach a top speed of 90 kilometers per hour. Despite its slower speed, it dominates the roads with its massive size and unmatched comfort. Inside, you'll find 30 square meters of living space, complete with everything you could need. From a beer fridge and a Sony PlayStation 5 to a 47-inch TV and Starlink internet. This giant of a vehicle isn't just about luxury, though. It comes with a hefty price tag of around $1.4 million. It's a true king of comfort and style on wheels. Meet Twister, a truck that once hauled livestock for decades, but has been transformed into a stunning custom ride that grabs attention even on screen. It's full of cowboy flair, with leather straps, wooden trim, vintage-style headlights, and a horn skull in the cab straight out of an old Western saloon. The seats are upholstered with 5 cowhides, and the sleeping area is smartly divided by a tent-like curtain that feels like a cozy campsite. While most of the truck screams rustic charm, the modern stereo system stands out, but in a good way. No Wild West saloon ever had sound like this. Twister blends rugged tradition with a surprising touch of luxury. Meet the ETH Camper, a smart, futuristic RV designed to make every trip feel like home. Whether you're heading to the countryside, commuting to work, or visiting friends, this mini apartment on wheels has you covered. Its standout feature? Expandable sections that stretch the living space up to 37 square meters. But that's not all. It also generates its own electricity and water, producing up to 25 kilowatt hours of power and 50 liters of clean water each day. Perfect for off-grid living. With space to comfortably sleep 4 people, the ETH is more than just a camper. It's a cozy, eco-friendly mobile home made for everyday use. Keep an eye out. It's expected to launch in 2025. The Krug Expedition team transformed a regular Mercedes-Benz RX 3353A into an incredible motorhome. With all-wheel drive, this truck can tackle tough terrain while offering amazing comfort during breaks. It has 2 kitchens, one outdoors that slides out for cooking in the fresh air, complete with an induction cooktop, and another indoors with an oven for more elaborate meals. There's even a washing machine on board. After a long drive, you can relax with a shower and a separate toilet. Plus, it's equipped with heating, 2 air conditioners, and an electric staircase. This truck has everything you need for a comfortable adventure on the road. The Peterbilt 589 Motorhome takes power and luxury to the next level. Known for its smooth, quiet ride, even with a 605 horsepower engine, this truck is anything but ordinary. But some enthusiasts want more, which is why custom builds like this exist. Step inside and it feels like a luxury hotel on wheels. There's a fridge, induction stove, 50-inch TV with Starlink, and super comfy furniture. You can sleep in a bed or stretch out on cozy sofas. With air conditioning, a spa-style bathroom, and ambient lighting, comfort is top priority. It's not just a truck, it's a high-end home you can drive anywhere. Would you like a visual layout or floor plan of this motorhome? The experts at Rossmeister take regular vehicles and turn them into true masterpieces. For example, they transform a standard Ford F-350 pickup, a truck you see everywhere, into a custom luxury camper called the Ross Monster Baja. This amazing vehicle can sleep 4 people comfortably, even in the middle of the wilderness. After a long drive, you can enjoy a refreshing shower and cook dinner on a 2-burner stove. If the weather turns cold or rainy, just switch on the heater and relax inside. You can spend cozy evenings playing board games or reading in the roomy living space, complete with special reading lights. All this comfort and adventure comes at a price, around €334,000. Welcome to the world of adventure vehicles. At 7:54 in the Swedish town of Ramsella, a stunning Scania R530 made an impressive appearance. This powerful truck took part in the Power Truck Show and didn't leave empty-handed. It won second place in the woodchip trucks category and third place for best interior. It's clear that a lot of care and creativity went into its design. Just look at it. It's not just a truck, it's a statement on wheels. From the sleek exterior to the detailed interior, everything about it stands out. Whether you're into trucks or not, it's hard not to admire the style and craftsmanship behind this Scania R530. A real head-turner on the road. The Scania R580 isn't just a truck, it's a showstopper. Spotted in Ramselaar, Sweden, this red and white custom beauty looks like it came from a sci-fi comic. Scania is already famous for its power and European quality, but when skilled customizers get involved, it becomes something truly special. This truck ditches the basic factory look for eye-catching flames and a stylish interior. Inside, you'll find curtains, cushions, and a top-notch sound system, perfect for relaxing with music after a long drive. It's more than just a machine, it's a personal masterpiece, designed to impress at shows and turn heads wherever it goes. House.me is changing how we think about prefab homes. Their houses arrive fully built, and you can move in the same day. Just one quick installation, and you're ready to celebrate your new home. These smart homes are completely self-sufficient, pulling water from the air and generating solar power to run everything inside. They even have built-in systems to protect you from bacteria and viruses. Made with a special 3D printed polymer, each home is 20 times more energy efficient than a typical US house. They're also tough, designed to withstand hurricanes and earthquakes. The compact 37 square meter model gives you all this for a surprisingly low cost. With House.me, you get comfort, safety, and sustainability all in one sleek, modern package. Meet the Starship 3.0. A futuristic truck born from a collaboration between Chinese manufacturer FA Trucks and British energy giant Shell. Designed for both comfort and efficiency, it uses advanced aerodynamics, Shell's specialized lubricants, and low-resistance tires to deliver impressive fuel economy at just 22.7 litres per 100 kilometers. Inside, high-tech cameras replace mirrors, giving drivers better visibility and safer maneuvering. The cab feels modern and comfortable, with smart materials and stylish seats made from recyclable materials. Shell developed. Starship isn't just a truck, it's a smooth, eco-friendly ride into the future of freight transport. Van Cubic makes smart, easy-to-use camper modules that turn a regular van into a cozy home on wheels. One person can set it all up in about an hour, and since the parts are counted as cargo, there's no need for special permits or modifications. Their loft package has everything you need: a comfy sofa that turns into a bed, a bunk bed, a mini kitchen with a sink and stove, and plenty of handy extras. It even includes water tanks, a fridge, a toilet, and a small but practical shower. Perfect for van life or weekend adventures, this setup brings comfort and convenience wherever you go. The loft package starts at about $24,000, offering a complete tiny living solution